Besides in all things, but I've heard people say that, oh, this person has lots of following, let's take them.
But not in the main lead.
Not mainly, but it's a part of a film they're taking.
But they're not only talking about your heroine-worthy roles.
No, but like a good role, I think they will choose a better actress.
Okay.
Yeah, I
Like,
agree.
in fact, with
I
your
hope
cousin,
so, but I don't think it always happens.
with Ahan, ulta happened. He was told not to go on
to
social
post
media till the movie release.
Yeah.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, I disagree anyway.
People do choose on following, I think.
Just because you lost a role to an influencer.
Pissed.
Gen Z needs Google Maps to walk down their own street. Yes.
Hey,
Of course.
guys, no, I'm not gonna. I know, I can walk.
But having said that, I love Google Maps. I wish I could just map
No, no.
the trajectory of my life.
Gen Z knows a lot more than people give them credit for, and they're very
What do they know?
everything.
They know about sourdough and
No, they're very in touch with their emotions and.
What emotions? They're traumatized by everything.
No, they're not traumatized.
Yes,
They're the first generation that's talking about feelings. It has nothing to do with the question, but it's the first generation that's really embracing mental health and freedom of
I think
expression.
they're
and
embracing
being,
it a bit too much. Whenever they want to get out of something, it's a
No, but
mental health issue.
I think eventually a balance will be found.
Okay, chalo, good answer.
It has nothing to do with Google Maps, but I just wanted to say that.
Today's kids change their partners faster than they change outfits. Yes.
No.
Yes.
No.
I don't think so.
It's always happened.
And I
She has
tell you
just
what,
decided now to stand on the opposite
it's
side.
a good thing. It's a good thing because हमारे ज़माने में it was like, what will people say? No, we can't do this.
I don't
They
think you
I
can
don't
ever
think
say
so.
everyone is still doing whatever they want.
You come back here.
I think it's true, and
We
I
are not
agree with
today's
it.
kids. You are not today's kids. And
That's
you are
what-
doing.
and they are changing their partners quickly, and I think it's a good thing.
No, but I think people have always been changing their partners.
tell her.
That time it was just
Farah,
a
tell her.
quiet.
I feel I am from the 90s. People have been changing partners and maybe earlier
Absolutely.
also. I feel today's kids are not even finding partners.
No,
Yeah.
but
Yeah.
it's much easier for them because they don't have any baggage. They're like, okay, fine, this is not working. Let's move on
No,
quickly.
in fact,
I
I
like
feel they
swipe
think
left,
a lot
swipe
about
right.
it.
Swipe left, swipe right.
I stand in the middle.
Okay.
I think
Of it.
it's a good topic.
I stand in the middle.
Okay. Couples should live together before they get married. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Absolutely.
I think if my mom knew that my dad throws a towel on the bed before marriage,
Exactly. That is why I should not live together.
Because they would never have got married.